Hey everyone, Dan with Mac Rumors, and in this video, we're going to check out this custom $2,200 Apple Watch Series 4 from a company called Aurum Edition. Aurum Edition is a company that specializes in custom high-end iPhones and Apple Watches, and they were kind enough to provide us with what they call their Monarch Counsel Apple Watch. The unboxing experience is pretty fancy, as one would expect with a $2,200 Apple Watch, and this watch comes in a custom-made wooden box, and when you open it up, you'll find that your watch is sitting right on top with your accessories in the bottom portion of the box. As I mentioned before, the Monarch Counsel starts at $2,200 for the Sport GPS only model, which is the version that we have here. So the aluminum frame of this Apple Watch is now covered in this yellow gold floral pattern that is raised and has some nice texture to it. It is plated in 24 karat gold that's 8 microns thick, which means it's going to be durable and the gold isn't going to wear away. The back of the watch remains the same as a normal Apple Watch, but the buttons to eject the watch bands have actually been matched to the same yellow gold found along the frame. Aurum Edition engraves each custom Apple Watch that it designs by hand, which is crazy, and it takes 40 hours to do each one, which explains the high price tag. Now this takes a skilled, steady hand person to do this kind of intricate work. Also included with the watch is a watch band that's made from a dark blue sharkskin leather, and the strap also has the same floral-like pattern throughout in yellow gold in various locations, giving it a nice look. So as far as functionality goes and actually using this Apple Watch, everything appears to be the exact same. There's no custom watch faces or anything like that, which I expected to be the case, but the watch does function perfectly fine. You still get the same beautiful large display that Apple introduced with this new Series 4 lineup, and for the most part, the buttons on the side work as they should. I do want to point out that the digital crown is a bit more difficult to press in compared to a normal Series 4, and it feels like you actually have to press it in harder than you should, which usually leads to a long press, which will accidentally activate Siri, but haptic feedback when scrolling still works perfectly fine. Overall, I think this custom watch from Aurum Edition is very well made, and it offers a fantastic high-end option for those of you who are looking for such a thing. For me personally, the designs are not quite my thing, and I'm not particularly sure if I would want to spend $2,200 for a watch that I probably will want to upgrade to the next version in the years to come, but I would have preferred a more clean look with maybe the digital crown having a little bit more of a pattern design to it. But overall, if you're looking for something with a high-end classy look and feel for your Apple Watch, then I would definitely recommend checking this out. Although it might be easy to scoff at the price tag and ask why would anyone spend that amount of money on an Apple Watch, you do have to appreciate the amount of intricate detail and work that goes into these watches. And so if you're looking for something like this, check out the link in the description down below. Also, be sure to let us know your thoughts on this custom Apple Watch, and if you plan to pick one up in the comment section down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.